Three tips to write good emails. So in this video we are going to see what are the three tips which we can use in order to write good emails, right? So basically email marketing is going to be something which we wanted to know right now. We wanted to learn about it, and that is the reason which I am providing a lot of videos to you guys, right? So whenever we have an email list, we need to take care of the list people, right? List members, because we are going to sell them, right? We are going to sell them the product, services, whatever we have, right? Whatever we are offering right now. So what we need to understand is that if we can take care of them, they will gonna take care of us, right? So whenever you are writing the email, these are the three things which you need to do in order to increase the open rate of your email. First, you need to become informal. So many people who are doing this particular mistake, they are being very formal, very professional. They are trying to showcase they are something which is a legend in the industry. But what you need to understand is that you need to become a friend, because people want to open the email of their friend. They don't want to open the email of some juicy kind of a marketer. That's why you need to become their friend, right? Because that's very important, right? You are very open with your friend, but you are not very open with the marketing manager. That's why you need to become their friend. So be informal in the email. Second, you need to provide how to emails to the people, because now everybody, more than 90% of the people, they are searching how to kind of a videos in the YouTube. And when they are opening the emails, every single time they are seeing a marketing message which they don't even like, right? So they are not subscribed to your email marketing list in order to see your marketing message all the time, right? So you need to provide them how to video. But how do you know that what they wanted to watch it? You know that because you already built a list, right? So let's take an example. If you are helping people to become a YouTuber, and you know that these people already signed up in my email marketing list because they wanted to become a YouTuber. Now these people are going to search in the YouTube how to become YouTuber, how to do the keyword research, how to make a thumbnail. So these kind of a thing they already think about in their mind, and they are going to search in the YouTube. So these all the videos, these all the topic which you got by knowing about their psychology. So now you need to make the email for it, and you have to provide them. These are the three things which you can do in order to make a good thumbnail. These are the two things which you can do in order to shoot outside. You can see I'm shooting outside right now. So that's it. So that's how you can do. Third thing, you need to solve a genuine problem. You see guys, every businessman in the process, as far as my thinking is concerned, some are very good, some are like me, they are in the process of doing something. But to be very honest, till the time you are not solving a problem in the marketplace, you are not going to become a good businessman, right? Nobody wants to buy your stuff, nobody wants to buy your product or services. So that's why you need to understand is that you can only make a money when you are going to sell something, and you are going to sell something only when you are solving a genuine problem, right? So when you have an email list, now your job is to understand your email marketing members, right? Your email list member, you need to think about them every single day. You need to know about them, what are they thinking, what are their pain points, what are their challenges are, and you need to create the emails. 3 email for solving their problem, genuine problem, and one email for your marketing message, right? Because you are not doing charity over here, right? But that does not mean you can send every single email in order to promote something. No, what you need to understand, 3 emails to provide the value. That's how you can create thumbnail, that's how you can add it to your video, that's how the kind of keyword research which you can do in the 2022. But if you wanted to make your growth faster, even faster, by not wasting the 3 years like me, this is my fourth email where I'm recommending something in the email, where you can go and buy my book, or maybe you can buy my course, right? So that's how you can do that. These are the three things which you can do in order to increase the open rate of your email. So if you like this video, make sure you comment down below what you feel about this particular video. If you wanted to connect with me, you can go to the Instagram. You can definitely connect with me over there. If you have any question over there, you can straight away ask me. To be very honest, I'm not a copywriting guru, I'm not a email marketing guru. What I know is that I learned something, and I'm going to learn in my entire life, and I'm going to share whatever the things which I'm learning, right? So that's the three things which you can do. I'm going to do that as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.